In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Steal a Brainrot Discord server. By the end, you'll be connected and ready to explore, and I'll walk you through each screen so nothing is confusing. First, open Discord. You can use the desktop app, the mobile app, or a web browser at the official Discord website, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts, double check you're on the right one so you join the server with the correct profile. Next, look for the Add a Server area. On desktop, it's the plus icon in the left sidebar where your servers are listed. Click that and you'll see options to create a server or join one. On mobile, it's a similar Add a Server button on the server list screen. Choose the option that says Join a Server. This opens the join flow where you can paste or type an invite. You'll see a field labeled Invite link. In that field, type the invite code Brainrots. You can type just the word Brainrots or the full invite format if you prefer, such as discord.gg/Brainrots. Both work as long as the code is correct. Take a second to check your spelling. Misspelling the code is the most common reason people can't get in. If the code is valid, Discord will recognize it and prepare the server preview. Now click Join Server. After a brief moment, Discord will fetch the server details. You should see the server name and icon appear in a preview window. This is a good chance to confirm you're joining the correct place. Look for the Steal a Brainrot name and make sure it looks familiar. Finally, click Accept Invite. On desktop, the Accept Invite button appears right in that preview modal. On mobile, you might be prompted to open in the app. If you started in a browser, go ahead and confirm, then tap Accept Invite. Once accepted, Discord will take you straight into the server and you'll see it added to your server list on the left or in your server drawer on mobile. That's all there is to it. Open Discord, choose Join a Server, enter Brainrots, hit Join and accept the invite. After you're in, take a quick moment to glance at the server's welcome or rules channel so you know how things work, and adjust your notification settings if you want fewer pings. Enjoy your time in the Steal a Brainrot community and happy chatting.